I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is so 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep.
All right, guys.
Unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at.
Where are we? Yeah, still struggling with StreamYard. What's my opinion about gold? Why is that everyone? Every time they start, gold, gold, gold. Why does everyone care so much about gold? You know, what if that's not the pair for you? You know, but you can use it if you want. But everybody has their pair eventually. For me, example, I can trade Euro USD same way as I trade USD JPY, same way as I trade gold, right? Well, my preference, most especially for scalping, are Euro USD and USD JPY. Okay, swing trade is gold. Can I scalp with gold? Yes, you know, but you can't do all those kind of challenges of small accounts to big accounts with gold, because no matter how perfect you are, right, the markets can always do something, just mess it up one way or the other. If you are going based on the fact that if you are going with the kind of mindset that you are saying, oh, I hope nothing bad happens, you know, you are trying to get lucky. You have it at the back of your mind that, okay, you can't control the market. You know that. Subconsciously, everybody knows that. No matter how they try to deny it, you know, your account balance shows you that, you know. you always know at some point in time, the market can get to a point where you can't even explain what is going on. You know, it can be because of news. Majority of time is because of news. You know, it might be because of some economic events, because we are not playing, you know, jack slots. We are not in the casino. You know, we are following what we are doing. We are seeing it happen in real life. You know, why is $100 not the same as €100? You know, this effect is what we are seeing in real life. So we know now, but everyone is always trying to go with you know, something bad will not happen to at least me, and they never prepare for it. So when something bad happens, when they make the wrong analysis, they will not be able to accept that they are wrong. You know, because what else could happen? You know, when the markets go crazy and they don't understand what is going on, they start pouring more indicators. Something is going to tell what is going to, you know, just trying to get lucky. You know, you just have to be prepared for something bad to happen. And that's why I have hedging. You know, before I enter a trade, no matter how delicious it looks, if I don't have an exit, I'm not taking that trade. If you wanted your account to last, would you if you could come out of your body, right, and tell yourself, I want my account to last, but I'm still going to take these trades that I have no exit for, wouldn't you laugh at yourself? Would you take yourself seriously? But people do that. You know, they say, oh, this trade looks so good, this trade looks so beautiful. You know, even though if it goes bad, I might lose my account, but just this profit, I need to make this profit, either because maybe they've lost a little bit in the market, they want to revenge trading. Is like, if you're still getting caught by revenge trading, you have a long way to go. You know, you really have a long way to go. Revenge trading is not the way. You know, that means you've not even gotten deep into the market. But anyways, let's look at this week. This week I haven't even had a lot of trades to take. I want to take big trades, right? However, the markets, there's been a lot of news this week, and there's going to be a lot of news this week. I'm not a news trader. I avoid news. You know, I avoid news as much as possible because I know why it's there. It's there to make traders lose. It's there. It gives the market freedom to manipulate, right? It's not like the market is not already manipulating enough. This just now gives them full access to manipulation. You know, so some people try to get lucky during this period. There's a lot of consolidation, and I notice when there's a lot of consolidation, you see all these mentors. They come out. They act like they have the holy grail. You know, meanwhile they are just trading consolidation. Is anybody any donkey, you put a donkey or you put a monkey here and you tell it when it goes up here you sell, when it goes down here you buy. You know, they start preaching. You know, immediately the market stops consolidating, you start seeing their losses. We've been trading all through the market conditions, all through the market conditions, whether it's consolidating or not. You know. All right, so today we will be looking at EURUSD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, XAUUSD. He said, yes, I do say mistakes so many times. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you have to, before you so many people are just so quick in a rush to click that buy or sell. But try to come out of yourself and ask yourself, and like look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, let's use the mirror. The mirror is better. Look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself in the mirror what you're about to do. Then you'll see how ridiculous your trade plan is. You know, before you use moving averages, right? Look in the mirror and say, this this red rainbow indicator cross this blue rainbow indicator. So that's why I'm going to risk my $50 to take this financial market trade that deals with the world's economy. It's just like someone trying to use magic rocks, you know, magic rocks or magic paper to trade. That's exactly what you are doing when you're using an indicator. You know, you want to do Harry Potter. And anyways, where were we? let's get back into the market. Let's get serious. Let's see what we're looking at. We'll be looking at Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro JPY, no, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and then finally gold. If you have any pair you want analysis on, put that in the comment section. It's a beautiful day to be a trader. Let's see how many opportunities we see in the market so far today. Last time, if you were here in the last live stream, there's no way you didn't make some profit, especially on Euro USD and GBP USD. We'll check out that pairs, even on gold also. So we'll look at some of these pairs. If you have any question, remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mugan Markets, link in description below. I tried to start 1 week ago, but the market has just been filled with news this week, and I avoid news even on my main account. And on the copy trade account, what I'm doing is I'm looking for big trades, low risk big trades, okay, system big trades. I haven't seen, because the market was consolidating. I'll explain that in the analysis. Even me, I didn't take a trade. I had to start taking scalp trades all through this week, and me, I'm ready to risk more, so hello Xavier, I need to go to Sweden. However, anyways, where are we? Yeah, so if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Mega Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And if you want to test my software also that does all the analysis for me for 2 weeks, sign up with Mega, link in the description below. And yeah, send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Make sure you have at least 150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about taking trades. And yeah, let's start with Euro USD. But before that, we'll take a break and we'll be right back. Remember, if you have any pair, put that in the comment section and we'll do analysis on it. Once we've gotten into the stream and we're doing analysis, and you put a pair, we're just gonna move it to the next live stream on Friday. All right, so we'll be right back very soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugan Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, we're back. All right, thank you for the comments, Tandy. Remember to help. If you want more people on the live stream asking questions that could help you, you can help with the engagement. Hello, Solomon. Thank you for the comments, Tandy. Thank you for the comments, Solomon. And it helps with the engagement so more people can come here, have similar interests, and yeah, ask questions, and everybody can benefit and gain the knowledge. I see a lot of people watch the live stream also after I'm gone, after I end the live stream, because I don't really stay long. I stay for about 50 minutes to an hour. I don't know how people stay hours online. It's like, they don't have anything else to do. I don't know. Anyways, because the point of trading is freedom, right? So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for the comments, Sam. Thank you for the comments, Solomon. Thank you for the comments, Tandy. Now, if you've been following Euro USD, we've been tracking it like a hawk. Okay, we tracked it in this consolidation the moment it began. We knew our expectations. Either we broke here or broke here. Okay, we even gave an example of analysis you could do and enter, okay, in case you want to take the risk, take gamble, because we're still in that consolidation zone, okay, and because we had this outside here, and then you would have made profits of about, let's see, 350 pips. Then we found another opportunity here again during the last live stream on Monday, a few days ago. And it went down into profits of about 100 pips. We needed it to stay below this point. I always explain everything step by step. For us to get to our final point, which is 1 point, to the T, 1.097, sorry, 1.095. All right. So that is still the target so far. If you are in this trade, you should have taken some profit already. You should have moved the rest to break even as usual. Same thing here as usual. Yeah, nothing much more to say on this trade. It's possible to get a re-entry at this point. You can set your entry here, right? Set your exit as the high of 25th of July 2023, right? So that way you are risking only about 15 pips, right? 15 pips. Target is still 1.095. Trade is still. Let's see what were the risk to reward ratios for these trades. Anyways, I've been giving 9-to-1, 11-to-1 risk to reward ratio trades recently. Which is usually when people say, "Oh, you're not trading. I'm not looking for your nonsense 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, sometimes even 4-to-1. If your system finally works for you, you find a 4-to-1 trade. No, I'm looking for 7-to-1, 8-to-1, 9-to-1. There's a reason why you see my account grow so fast. And then you see you are taking more trades, and I'm just taking few trades, and the account is just growing. Even when there's pullback, I'm still growing. There's a difference. I'm looking for, because I can find them. This one, 10-to-1. I'm sure this one was, let me see, let me recreate it again. This one is 10-to-1 again. This one is another 8-to-1 risk reward ratio trade. Okay, and we're still leaving space up. So there's a difference. There's nothing more annoying than somebody that cannot trade trying to tell you what to do. You don't have results trying to tell you what to do. Anyways, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so there's a possibility. What's a good possibility for how many pips? Let's see, 120 pips. 120 pips. Yeah. A minute. Yeah. So it's a low risk trade. I think I'll even take that now. 1 minute. Boom, boom. Yeah. But it's kind of a late entry anyway, so be careful of that. All right, so move to GBP USD, but it's low risk, risking about 15 pips for a late entry. Not bad. GBP USD. There's a lot of news going on this week also. So GBP USD. GBP USD, same thing. We took a trade here last time. You know, it went into about, let's see how many pips it went into. If you took this trade, or you already know what I always say to do. I went to about 75 pips in profits, take some profits, move the rest to break even. So you'd have come out of this trade with no loss. It's looking bullish right now. No entry so far, right? No entry so far. If it continues to go bullish, it could go all the way to 1.31, right? Which will invalidate our Euro USD trade. So either this GBP, you see, last week I was explaining sometimes, you know, GBP USD and Euro USD are not always on the same terms. This is a great example. I from my analysis, I can see a sell for Euro USD, right? And from my analysis, I can see a buy for GBP USD, right? So one of them will have to play out, right? So your exit is 1.28995. 1.2895. Okay, risking about 30 pips for about 175 pips. Risk to reward ratio 5.7 to 1. Not bad. It's possible to take both these trades. Eventually, one of them will make profit. So, yeah. And it's looking more likely like GBP USD will be the one, you know. True. 1 minute. All right, so what is next on our list? USD JPY. Where's USD JPY? There you go. Wait, am I? Okay, I thought I was on mute. I now know why I thought I was on mute.
Money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the field to the six. If I'm being honest, I mean.
Thank you for the comment, Sammy. Thank you for the comment, Stanley. Thank you for the comment, Solomon. Yes. Thank you for the comment, Stanley. Thank you for the comment, Solomon. Thank you for the comment, Sammy. That music. All right, USD JPY, we took a bullish move. I missed this one actually. The market was consolidating. Remember what I said? Either we broke that point or we broke out of this point and started to drip. And this is what is looking like. We're dripping down into the market. Okay, I want to take a buy. You know, I want to take a buy, but it's like trying to get lucky, basically. It's trying to get lucky. We set the exit at 139.75, right? 139.75. Yep. So I take profits at 144. Okay. Risking about 25 pips, 17.5 risk to reward ratio. If you want to jump in early, you can, right? But as for me, this is my entry. 140. Going for 144. Okay. So yeah. 17.5 risk to reward ratio. And if you don't think this is possible, I have a lot of live streams of my swing trades that I've taken. You can just go and watch any of them. Anyways, we've even done 25 risk to reward ratio. Maybe for some of you that are new, you've not seen this before. Let's move on to the next one. GBP. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to scalp the markets, you want to learn how to. I want to take this. I want to take a trade now, and I want to record it. 1 minute. I'll be right back in 1 minute. I want to take a trade and record it now.
I don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah, counting up the money and it's hard to keep, yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is 09. I could put you on the map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah, counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't wanna lie back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't wanna lie back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch is 09. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't wanna lie back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about.
All right. So I'm back, guys. Thank you, Solomon, for the comments. What do I think about gold? When we get to gold, you'll know what I think about it. Be patient. Euro USD, I've done Euro USD. Rewind. Okay, we heard you. You said why buy? I don't even know what you're talking about. Solomon, he can watch the video, tell him to watch it again. You don't need to tell him, bro, buy or sell. Just replay a few minutes, you'll find his analysis. He said 8-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Did you take any trades, any gold trades today? Yeah, we'll get to gold. Anyways, where are we? We are on we're on GBP JPY. Remember what I said last time about GBP JPY? When it broke out of this point, I said it could be a false breakout. If we hop back into this zone, right, we'll see it go back into this consolidation zone. And that is exactly what happened. It now looks like the consolidation is a bit higher than where it previously was. We're still within this big consolidation. Maybe what the consolidation is doing is to come on, trading view. Okay, to get in this consolidation, consolidate a bit, get down, consolidate here, get up, consolidate here, get down. So it's good, it's doing the push up, push down thing, but every time it does it, it's consolidating. So you will see all those GJ mentors, they'll start telling you to buy here, sell here, nothing special, it's just consolidation. Let's see what happens when it breaks out of those consolidation. Oh, it was a bad week. Oh, it was a bad month. Then why didn't you trade? Then why did you trade? If it was a bad week, bad month, you should have taken it once, known the environment, and waited for a better environment. But you are just gambling. You have to wait for a good environment. If you want to take a gamble, take small gambles. Plain and simple. Or gamble with your profits. All right, so GJ is still in a consolidation. We have to see it break out. I moved out too fast on GJ. Let me give more of a breakdown. Not that I need much breakdown, but yeah. So still, now we need it to break out of 182.5 still, or below 180. Till then, consolidation fiesta. All right, gold, we had a sell on gold, right? We had a sell on gold. We were risking about 100 pips. we got into, there's no way you enter this trade and did not make money. Got into this trade, went into about over 90 pips in profit, almost 100 pips in profit, 98 pips in profit, almost 100. And yeah, you should have taken some profits. What next? Move the rest to break even as usual. You would have ended the trade in profits. Now gold is looking bullish. Immediately broke this point. I took a buy. Okay. I took a buy on Tuesday. I'm expecting it to go higher. I need it to break 1970, right? And that's on my swing trade account. Okay, that's on my swing trade account, not my scalping account. I'm expecting it to break above 1975 before I start streaming again. If we can stay above 1975 at least for today, then yeah, expect to stream after this free analysis, free signal session. And yeah, where would I expect it to go? All the way to 1990, right? I'll need it, however, to stay above 1985 for me to take some profits, move the rest to break even. Actually, I can move the rest to break even now, but for me to start taking some big profits, then let the rest just run into more and more profits, climbing and climbing. So yeah, that's it on gold. If you have any questions, you want to learn how to do this yourself, when I teach my students, I teach them with live trades. Okay, we take live scalp examples, live swing trades, live hedging, okay, to save your account from losses, so that you can even compound your accounts faster and faster and easier. Thanks for the comment, Solomon. Go to hedgingmastermind.com, and yeah, we can also meet in person. I'm planning an in-person session starting in Europe. I did have one, but I'm planning another one in the next 3 to 4 months. So yeah, we're thinking of it being in Germany, Belgium, France, or the Netherlands. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. What trading strategy you using? I created my own. I don't use any support and resistance. I don't use any moving averages. I don't use any Bollinger Bands. I don't use any indicator, basically, in general. Even what you see on my charts, I created it. This thing telling this AI looking at the market and giving me analysis, I created it. Yeah, so that's it. Do you have any plans for personal training in Dubai? Not really. I've been planning my move from Dubai for a while. Okay, I said I'm leaving Dubai. I said that for a while, but it's not easy. I had to get, I have so many things that I had to move. I was thinking about moving the Ferrari from Dubai to Europe, but it's better to just start with new, fresh supercars in Europe. And moving to Europe takes time. It's not that easy. So yeah, I'm almost sorted out with most of my things, and you start seeing things like vlogs, you start seeing things like supercars again, you start seeing the basic things that I used to do in Dubai, bringing Dubai to Europe. Most people in Europe don't do Dubai things. I don't know why, but that doesn't matter to me. you know so we bring Dubai to Europe, and you'll see much more better videos. Maybe we can drive along all through Europe. We'll see mukbang. So many types of content are coming. I've been uploading shorts, I've been uploading videos. I'm thinking of creating another channel for making reactions. Thank you for the comments, Tandy. So yeah, we'll see how many more things come. If you have any suggestions of the type of videos I should make, you can send it to me on WhatsApp, Telegram. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And yeah, if you want to copy my trades, sign up in Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to copy my trades. And yeah, we'll be right back in another trading video soon. We have less than 40 seconds in the stream, and yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. If not, we'll end the stream soon. Yeah, come to Thailand. I'll be so glad to host you. I'm going to Asia is a long thing. If I'm going to Asia, I'll have to go through most of the countries: China, Japan, Korea. Plain and simple. Why were you asking about Dubai? You wanted to come to Dubai? Anyways, hope see you guys in the next live stream on Friday. And yeah, if you have any questions, send it to me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Even these live streams, we may end it soon. I may just create a private Telegram group where I just drop, where I just put signals, scalp signals, swing signals, and yeah, it's a whole setup for doing live streams on YouTube. I think I might just reduce that to maybe one live stream a week. And then on my Instagram, I'll be doing more frequent because my Instagram, I can just open my phone and do live stream. You know, being on YouTube is a whole setup. I can do it maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, you know, to make it more special. But I'll continue to upload my videos. I'll be uploading shorts also for people with lower attention span. So yeah, it will just be like a summary of the main videos. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back in the next live stream on Friday. See you soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is